Hello everyone, I'm an Asian American. The current virus situation really concerns me. But what concerns me more is not virus, but people's panic. The pandemic is basically pandemic. The original fatality of COVID-19 was simply around 1% for normal patients. The disaster you see in Italy and New York is only because the influx of patients outpowered our medical resource and crippled the healthcare system. People are dying due to old age, underlying disease, inadequate care, and some people were simply scared to death. So, please don't panic. Let me anatomize the mechanism of this infection, and you will see how simple you can avoid it. First, identify the infection source. The only source of the virus is the mucus, phlegm, and saliva coming out of a sick person when he's sneezing, coughing, or spitting while talking. Nothing else, not even from his breathing. So just watch and avoid these contagious substances and you will be fine. Second, understand that viruses exist everywhere. Those contagious discharges from sick persons will soon drop to the ground and any surfaces, such as table, chairs, doorknobs, keyboard, and so on. They are then touched by many hands. Eventually, your hands will be contaminated by virus too. So wash hands frequently. Third, you should understand that the virus infects you only through your mouth, nose, and eyes, not through your skin. So guard these three entries and you will be safe. Particularly, we need to heavily guard the nose, as it is an organ constantly sucking air into your lung. 90% of the infection cases are due to the failure of guarding the nose. So be serious. If you understand the above facts, it is not hard to come up with some tactics. 1. Avoid the infection source, which is the patient. Since you don't know who the patient is, you have to avoid anyone. Keep vigilant when you are outside. Avoid crowds. Keep distance when someone talks to you. In case you are too close to a person when he suddenly sneezes, hold your breath and walk away. If you can walk away soon, just hold your breath and take out something to cover your nose. 2. Guard your nose. Many people have such a bad habit of poking or rubbing their nose consciously or unconsciously. This simply rubs the virus into your nose. You know your hands are full of virus, so don't do that. You can either use a clean tissue to do that or wash your hands before doing that. Same protection to your eyes and mouth. Just don't rub your eyes or suck your fingers when your hands are not clean. Another good way to protect yourself is wearing a facial mask. It simply gives you a peace of mind. See, it can stop all the virus sources instantly, and it can protect yourself from sucking in the virus or rubbing the virus into your nose. The mask is to block the virus-containing droplets, so it doesn't need to be a surgical mask or N95 mask. Any multi-layer mask, homemade or commercial, is effective. And you can use it again and again after daily sanitizing, so we can avoid wasting a huge quantity of masks. Fighting virus is a serious war. You need to remain vigilant and diligent all the time while you are outside. So, home sweet home is your last harbor to relax and enjoy life. After coming home, take off your outer clothes and shoes and set aside by the door, sanitizing your cell phone, take a hot shower and clean all viruses from your hair, your face, and all over your body. Then you can enjoy a beautiful evening, get a good sleep, and prepare a fight for tomorrow. To fight the COVID-19, we need to think big strategically. Our country cannot afford any prolonged lockdown. Economy needs to be moving, business needs to be running, restaurants need to be open. So everyone, if you can follow these simple tactics, I guarantee it will 90% prevent you from contracting the virus. For the remaining 10% fallout, most will have only mild to moderate symptoms, which will not require specialist treatment. And for the last small portion of severe to critical cases, our mighty healthcare system will take good care of them. When number of infection is reduced and our medical resources are freed up, the war will be under control. Fight smart together, we'll prevail.